Yo, what's up everybody? Welcome back to my channel, Henry Got Hustle. And as you can see, I got a little mini haul, nothing too crazy, but the shoes themselves were good pickups and I got them for a steal of a price. So I'd say good quality pickups, and it was a little mini haul, nothing too crazy. I got about 8 pairs from the Nike outlet. And yeah, I'm gonna show you guys like a little breakdown, how much I bought it for, how much I plan on selling it for, and just that type of thing. And actually the Nike outlet, when I went, this was like a couple days ago, they were having like a 20% off, additional 20% off from the entire store. So I got it even cheaper. So first up, we got the Nike React Element 55s. And this is actually the first time I buy this shoe. For some reason, I hadn't even found them at Ross before, even though like they're like everywhere at Ross. It's kind of weird. But it's a women's size 8.5, and I got a women's size 8, and they were for $39.97, but after the 20% off, I got them for $31.98. So really good deal. I'm planning on selling them for like $80 to $100 range, and this is all locally, by the way, for those of you wondering. Next up, we got these Air Harachi in this women's purple. Like, it's actually a pretty sick colorway, to be honest. And basically all the shoes I got were women's shoes, to be honest. I got like 2 men's shoes, and they were $54.97, but after the 20% off, they came out to $43.98. And I always sell Harachis for like $100, so easy $100 flip locally. Might get more for it just because it's a really cool like colorway. But yeah, women's size 8 too as well. Next up, I got 3 pairs of these Air Max 97s, and yeah, this is a really nice colorway. And I got them in youth sizing, but just for switch it to a women's conversion, should be good to go. And I bought them for $59.97 each, but after the 20% off, I got it for $47.98. So really good deal on Air Max 97s, because Air Max 97 is a really popular model and easy flip. Easily sell these like without a doubt for $100. Could get more, but $100 locally, super easy flip. Got them in a kid size 6, a 6.5, and a 7. So that's a women's size 7.5, women's size 8, and women's size 8.5. Yeah, that's that. Next up, which in my opinion, were probably the better pickups from the haul. Got these Air Max Up Tempo, the 95. Air Max Up Tempo 95 in the Chicago Bulls colorway. This is the shoe that Scottie Pippen wore when he was playing basketball. So pretty sick shoe. I bought them for $49.97. After the taxes, it came out to how much? Let me see, $39.98, which is a super good deal on these. I had bought them for online, like before Ross's were open and stuff like that, for like $60 or $57 or something like that. And I ended up selling it for $100. But since this is like a classic colorway, OG colorway, easily $100 to like $120 range on these. So this one, super good pickup. And the last one, we got another really good one right here. We got the Air Flight Pegasus 2s. I got these for $39.97, which I was like, what the? They were like super cheap, and retail on these is $200, which is crazy to see that they were even that cheap at the outlet. And after the 20% off, I ended up getting them for $31.98, which is crazy to me that this shoe was there for that cheap. So I mean, if they're like $100, I'd probably pass on them, just because on eBay they're not selling for too much. But if they're $31.97 after the discount and everything, picking up all the ones I can. Unfortunately, I only got one though, because that store didn't have that many, so I only got one. But these are all the shoes I got, guys. So after like adding up the total and everything, I spent $348.93 for everything after selling everything. And keep in mind, this is like whenever I do the math of how much I plan on selling it for, this is like the lowest I'd take. So but most of the time I sell it for a little bit more than what I always like do the breakdown for. I make more. So after selling everything, it's $770, which comes out to a $421 profit and 7 cents. So yeah, pretty good in my opinion. And I appreciate you guys watching today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe, and let me know like future videos you'd like to see in the future. And yeah, guys, peace out. Later.